unveiling the beauty in the unconventional. Opening scene. Dramatic music fades in as the camera pans over a cluttered workshop filled with rusty metal scraps and discarded objects. Welcome, adventurers of art, to a realm where creativity knows no bounds. Today, we embark on a journey into the intriguing world of scrap metal art. Brace yourselves for a spectacle of innovation and imagination. Cut to footage of various metal scraps being welded together sparks. In this crucible of creativity, artists breathe new life into forgotten treasures. What some might junk, these visionary artisans see as raw materials waiting to be transformed into masterpieces. Transition to interview with a scrap metal artist surrounded by their creations. Every piece tells a story. It's about taking something discarded and giving it a new purpose, a new identity. There's beauty in imperfection, in the rugged texture of rust and the asymmetry of reclaimed metal. Montage of different scrap metal artworks showcasing the diversity of styles and concepts. From towering sculptures to intricate installations, scrap metal art defies convention and challenges perceptions. Each piece challenges the viewer to reconsider their definition of beauty and artistry. Cut to a bustling art exhibition where patrons admire and interact with the installations. As scrap metal art gains momentum, it's not just about aesthetics. It's a statement against consumerism and waste. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, if only we dare to look. Closing scene, the camera zooms out, revealing a vast landscape dotted with scrap metal sculptures, gleaming under the sun. And so, dear travelers, as we conclude our exploration of scrap metal art, remember, in a world overflowing with excess, sometimes the most extraordinary creations emerge from the scraps. Until next time, keep embracing the unconventional, for therein lies true brilliance. End credits roll as uplifting music fades out. Certainly, here are some potential benefits of scrap metal art. 1. Environmental sustainability. By repurposing scrap metal and discarded objects, scrap metal art promotes recycling and reduces waste, contributing to a more sustainable environment. 2. Creativity and innovation. Scrap metal art encourages artists to think outside the box and experiment with unconventional materials, fostering creativity and innovation in the art world. 3. Unique aesthetic. The rustic and raw appearance of scrap metal art gives it a distinctive aesthetic appeal, adding character and uniqueness to both indoor and outdoor spaces. 4. Affordability. Using readily available materials, scrap metal art can be more affordable compared to traditional art forms, making it accessible to a wider range of artists and collectors. 5. Personal expression. Artists have the freedom to express themselves in unconventional ways through scrap metal art, allowing for deeper exploration of themes and concepts that may not be achievable with traditional mediums. 6. Conversation starter. Scrap metal art often sparks curiosity and conversation, serving as a focal point for discussions on topics such as sustainability, consumerism, and the beauty of imperfection.